Mastering Google Gemini. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital technology, Google Gemini stands out as a groundbreaking tool designed to enhance user experience and streamline various online tasks. As a next-generation AI model, Gemini integrates advanced machine learning capabilities, enabling users to access information and perform tasks more efficiently than ever before. Its significance lies in its ability to understand context, generate human-like responses, and adapt to individual user preferences, making it an invaluable asset for both personal and professional use. In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of Google Gemini, exploring its features and functionalities that set it apart from traditional AI models. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business professional, or simply someone looking to optimize your online interactions, mastering Google Gemini can unlock a world of possibilities. Join us as we embark on this journey to uncover the secrets of Google Gemini, equipping you with the knowledge and skills needed to harness its full potential. Get ready to elevate your digital experience and transform the way you engage with technology. Let's dive in and discover how mastering Google Gemini can revolutionize your online endeavors. Step 1. Understand the interface of Google Gemini. To effectively master Google Gemini, the first step is to familiarize yourself with its user-friendly interface. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by a sleek dashboard that serves as your command center. This central hub displays essential information and quick access to various features, making it easy to navigate through the platform. Key sections of the interface include the settings menu, where you can customize your preferences and optimize your experience. Here, you can adjust notifications, manage your account, and explore advanced options tailored to your needs. Additionally, the Help Center is a valuable resource, offering tutorials and FAQs to assist you in troubleshooting any issues you may encounter. Exploring the navigation tools is crucial for enhancing your user experience. The intuitive layout allows you to switch between different functionalities seamlessly, whether you're generating content, analyzing data, or accessing support. By taking the time to understand these key components, you'll be well equipped to leverage Google Gemini's capabilities effectively. This foundational knowledge will set the stage for deeper exploration and mastery of this powerful tool, ensuring you make the most of its features. Step 2. Set up your Google Gemini account. Setting up your Google Gemini account is a straightforward process that opens the door to a world of advanced features. Start by visiting the official Google Gemini website, where you'll find a user-friendly interface guiding you through the account creation process. Simply click on the Sign Up button and fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you've submitted your details, check your email for a verification link. Clicking this link is essential to confirm your identity and activate your account. After verification, you'll be prompted to complete your profile setup. This step allows you to personalize your experience by adding relevant information that helps Google Gemini tailor its services to your needs. Security is paramount in today's digital landscape, so take a moment to explore the security settings available in your account. Here, you can enable two-factor authentication, manage recovery options, and review connected devices. By prioritizing your account's security, you ensure a safe and seamless experience as you begin to explore the powerful capabilities of Google Gemini. With your account set up, you're now ready to dive deeper into the platform. Step 3. Explore the features of Google Gemini. Now that your Google Gemini account is set up, it's time to dive into its impressive features. One of the standout functionalities is the Project Management tool, which allows you to organize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress efficiently. This feature is designed to enhance productivity, making it easier to manage both personal and team projects seamlessly. Collaboration tools are another highlight of Google Gemini. You can invite team members to join projects, share documents, and communicate in real time, fostering a collaborative environment that boosts creativity and efficiency. These tools are essential for anyone looking to streamline teamwork and ensure everyone is on the same page. Additionally, Google Gemini integrates smoothly with other Google services, such as Google Drive, Calendar, and Docs. This integration allows you to access files, schedule meetings, and collaborate on documents without leaving the platform, creating a cohesive workflow. Don't forget to experiment with customization options available within Google Gemini. Tailoring the interface to suit your preferences can significantly enhance your productivity. Whether it's adjusting notification settings or organizing your dashboard, these small tweaks can make a big difference in how you interact with the platform. Embrace these features to maximize your experience. Step 4. Utilize templates and resources. One of the most powerful aspects of Google Gemini is its extensive library of pre-built templates designed to streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing a project, creating a presentation, or drafting a report, these templates provide a solid foundation to get you started quickly. Accessing these templates is simple. Just navigate to the template gallery within the platform, where you'll find options tailored for various tasks and industries. Once you've selected a template, you can easily modify it to fit your specific needs. Google Gemini allows you to customize elements such as text, images, and layouts, ensuring that your final product aligns perfectly with your vision. This flexibility saves you time and enhances your productivity, allowing you to focus on the content rather than the structure. In addition to templates, Google Gemini offers a wealth of resources to help you maximize your experience. Explore tutorials that guide you through different features and functionalities, making it easier to harness the platform's full potential. Community forums are also available, providing a space to connect with other users, share tips, and seek advice. By utilizing these templates and resources, you'll elevate your projects and enhance your overall efficiency in Google Gemini. Step 5. Collaborate with team members. Effective collaboration is at the heart of Google Gemini, making it easy to work with your team on various projects. Start by inviting team members to join your projects directly through the platform. You can assign specific roles to each member, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities and contributions. This clarity fosters accountability and enhances teamwork. Once your team is on board, utilize the commenting feature to facilitate real-time feedback. This tool allows team members to leave comments and suggestions directly on documents or tasks, promoting open communication and quick decision-making. By engaging in discussions within the platform, you can address concerns and brainstorm ideas without the need for lengthy email threads. To keep your projects on track, set deadlines and reminders for tasks. Google Gemini allows you to assign due dates, ensuring that everyone is aware of their timelines. Automated reminders can help keep team members accountable and focused on their responsibilities. By combining these collaborative features, you create a dynamic environment where ideas flourish and projects progress smoothly. Embracing these tools will not only enhance your team's productivity, but also strengthen your collaborative efforts, leading to successful project outcomes. Step 6. Analyze your project progress. Analyzing your project progress is crucial for ensuring that your goals are met efficiently. Google Gemini offers built-in analytics tools that allow you to track various performance metrics, such as task completion rates, time spent on activities, and overall project timelines. By regularly reviewing these analytics, you can gain valuable insights into how your project is progressing and identify any potential bottlenecks. Once you have gathered this data, it's essential to adjust your strategies based on the insights gained. If certain tasks are lagging, or if team members are struggling with specific aspects, you can implement changes to improve efficiency. This proactive approach not only helps in meeting deadlines, but also enhances team morale by addressing challenges head-on. Transparency is key in any collaborative effort, so sharing progress reports with stakeholders is vital. Google Gemini allows you to generate and distribute these reports easily, keeping everyone informed about the project's status. By providing stakeholders with regular updates, you foster trust and encourage open communication, ensuring that everyone is aligned with the project's objectives. Analyzing your project progress effectively will empower you to make informed decisions and drive your team toward success. Conclusion: Mastering Google Gemini for success. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to mastering Google Gemini, a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your productivity. We began by understanding the interface, which sets the foundation for effective use. Next, we guided you through setting up your account and exploring the platform's robust features, including project management and collaboration tools. Utilizing templates and resources further streamlines your workflow, while effective collaboration with team members ensures that everyone stays on track. Analyzing your project progress is crucial for making informed decisions and adjusting strategies as needed. By following these steps, you can unlock the full potential of Google Gemini, transforming the way you manage projects and collaborate with others. We encourage you to practice these steps and integrate them into your daily routine. The more you engage with Google Gemini, the more proficient you will become. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others who may benefit from mastering Google Gemini. Your support helps us create more valuable content to empower you in your digital journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.